Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet the Diamond Painting Junkie, and I have an unbagging. I ordered a couple things from Amazon, and I just got them yesterday, and I've opened the bag, but I haven't gotten up in here. So, let's see what I got. So, alright, so I got a painting. We'll put that to the side. I got some washi tape and some trays. I've been needing these large trays for like ever. So what I've been using is this. And I like this. Of course, this is better than the little green boats, of course, because you can get more diamonds in this. But I don't know if it's just me or if it's the tray. I don't know. I'm not a real hard shaker, but it's like when I shake them, they just go popping off like everywhere, like popping out of the tray and everything. Didn't do it that bad with the little green boats. It's just like this. I don't know if it's the ridges or I don't know, and it could just be me. I don't know. But anyway, this is what I've been using, and it was okay, but I've been wanting the large trays. So, this, good Lord, they're up in there. Oh, hope I didn't break it. Them are snug. They need a bigger bag. Alright, so there are 8 of these. I'm not going to get them all out, but there's 8 of these. And you can see how much bigger these are than this. Plus, it's got the little end that you can take in, pull out like I just did to pour them back into your containers. Let's see. Easy to get out, easy to put back in. So, we're going to try these. But I just needed a bigger tray. Alright, I'm going to put these to the side. Okay, so I also got some washi tape. I hope this is good. I mean, I've not purchased washi tape through Amazon before. What I do have is the washi tape. I actually got this from Walmart, and it's the Scotch. Excuse me. It's pretty good, but this is the only colors I have, because this is the only colors Walmart had at the time. So I've been wanting something, with some color in it. So I ordered these. They are 0.6 inch by 16.4 feet, and it's a 10 pack. Rainbow colors, pretty much. Let's see. My biggest thing with Amazon was I searched them. I seen tons of washi tape that I really liked. Prices varied. But what I was looking for is how much tape was on the roll. Because, even a 30 by 40 painting, I mean, you're going to use quite a bit depending on how many you do. And if you have a very large painting, then you need tape. If you're going to use washi tape, you need some that has, a lot on a row. So I was looking. Of course, I wanted some solid colors because, I just wanted to add some color to the border to some of my pictures. But this seems like it has quite a bit. I mean, it's not massive tons of it, but it's a lot more than a lot of the others that I was looking at. The other washi tape that I looked at that I thought was cute, and of course, it was like you get like 30 rows for like $19. sounds like a good deal until you look at it and, you know, there's barely any tape on there, and you probably would have done one 30 by 40 canvas and you would have used all your tape up. So I thought for me, this was the better deal. I think I give like $8 and some change for this. So wasn't bad at all, I don't think. I don't think I did bad. So, okay, give me 1 minute, and I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way, the trays and everything, so I have room for this kit. Be right back. Alright, so this kit, I'm not sure which one it is, because I've actually got two that I ordered, but I got this one. The other one should probably be here today. So anyway, the box is really nice, but it is from Fundiful Diamond Painting, but again, Amazon. So, but the box is really nice, and it has the steps on the back for diamond painting, and then on this side it has a Facebook page apparently and a YouTube, but it also has a website and an email. So that's pretty neat, and I will probably, after I do this video, go check out that website. So anyway, it was already kind of popped open on that side, so let's see which one this is. It is a 30 by 40 centimeter. I hope I don't have any problems with this, because I have really gotten to the point where I just absolutely, totally hate the double-sided adhesive. So, let's see what we got. And again, it has its logo up here, the Fundiful. Alright. So, let me try to get this flattened out some. And it looks as if this is one great big huge sheet. So, hopefully, I mean, the canvas itself doesn't look bad at all. So hopefully I will not have any issues with rivers or dents or anything like that, hopefully. And just looking at it so far, doesn't look too bad as far as the drill field. Looks pretty clear. Alright. It does come with your little green boat, which won't be using because now I have the big white ones. Looks like it comes with a double spacer, a pen with a single and maybe 6-placer wax, and the cheap little tweezers that's got the slanted edge. Alright. It is a square. I knew one of them was, but I wasn't sure if it was this one or the other one. I'm going to get this sheet out. Sorry about the crinkly noise. So you might want to hold your ears, but I'm just going to get this sheet out, and we'll set these over to the side. Okay. So this is pretty nice. It's got 30 colors. They do have the DMC on it. As far as the inventory sheet, all of this is just like super duper clear. And the symbols are not even all that bad. This is actually the first canvas I've had in a while that actually had symbols. Because most of them I've been doing lately have been letters and numbers. Okay, it has on here your 6 steps to how to diamond paint. And again, they're Facebook. I I'm going to turn this around. I don't know if y'all will be able to see what that's actually supposed to look like. Hopefully that'll focus in. So anyway, this is, I love it when they actually send these sheets, because not all of them do. And a lot of them that you get from Amazon or the cheaper places, they never put one of these in there unless it's, you know, I guess a certain size. Or some of the companies, I guess, put them in there. But anyway, not all companies, not all canvases have these sheets. So, like I said, it is a 30 by 50. It does have the picture and the key right here, but it's teeny tiny. So, it's a good thing that the sheet is large. This side has got the how to diamond paint, and the canvas itself is actually pretty nice. But let's see if I can make sure everything looks good. And again, like I said, the canvas itself, the drill field actually looks pretty good. It's pretty clear looking. I'm not seeing any rivers, but that means not a thing, because they just sometimes just start appearing. But the drill field is very clear. I don't know if y'all can see that. Very clear. Okay. I don't think the canvas is light enough that I probably won't even need a light pad on this one. I just use my LED magnifier, and I'm not seeing any, even through here. I mean, this is like really nice canvas. I am going to have to say it's a really nice canvas. It's not dark. You can easily see the symbols in these colored blocks. So this may be the best double-sided sticky canvas that I have received, just from what I'm seeing right now. But like I said, you never know until you get in here and you start messing with these things on how they're really going to look. So, and then there's just this one little spot right here, but I think I could just kind of get that out. That's not a biggie. But yeah, I think this is going to be a nice canvas. So, and the colors, like I said, they're square. I'm not going to pull all of these out. But they are pretty. Hopefully y'all can see that and it's not too dark. My lighting in this room that I work in is so crappy. So, but they are individually bagged. Okay, so, you know, I am going to get these out because I want to look and see what that says on these bags. Plus, I got to see if they're all there anyway. So, all the bags are labeled with the canvas. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. With the canvas identification number on there. And it also says 30 by 50, which is the size of the canvas. And this is color number 27. It has the DMC code on there. And I don't know what the 3.7. This one says 6.1. 0.7, unless it's the weight. I'm going to go out on a limb and assume that that is the weight of the bags. I'm pretty dang sure that's what that is. Yeah. Yeah, that is the weight of the bag. So, but anyway, since I got them out, here's the colors. And like I said, this is square because I really needed more squares in my life because I didn't like them at first. I really thought they were tedious and time consuming, and I just was like, oh, never again. But then I got another one, did it, and then it just got to the point to where I've done 4 squares, and I like them. And I mean, I still love my rounds because they're fast and easy, but I really do like the squares because, I mean, it just makes your picture pop better. So, but I will count these and everything, make sure I have the 30 in here. But like I said, all in all, this canvas is nice. This is a nice canvas. And like I said, it is from Fundaful Company. Has the inventory sheet with it, with the picture, the size, large schematic. The kit, which ain't a bad kit. I mean, it could be worse, I guess. So not a bad kit. I think it's going to be really good. And it's from, like I said, Amazon. So it is what it is. I like it, and that's really all that counts. So, I guess to all of what I got, I'm a pretty happy camper. So, like I said, I have one more kit, one more painting coming, and it should be here today. Honestly, don't know why they didn't put it with this, but okay. But I'm excited to try out my big trays. I really don't need all 8 as of right now because all I'm doing is smaller canvases, but hopefully one of these days I can get me one of them great big ones and I can use all these. Plus, I guess it doesn't hurt to have a backup, and if I do get anything that has a lot of confetti, I guess I could use, you know, all of them. But I really, really, really wanted a big one. So now I got 8 of them. So I honestly can't wait to start this one. But all right. Anyway, to all my subscribers, thank you for coming back. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you know I have more videos coming. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And as soon as I get the other kit, I will be making another unboxing. So, anyway, I guess until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.